Hey guys, today I wanted to show you how to add volume to your wigs. I wanted to go ahead and show you 3 different methods. This way, no matter what kind of wig you're working with, you'll be able to add some volume to the root of your wigs. Now, there are a few reasons you would want to add volume to your wigs, synthetic wigs in particular. One being that you want to get the hair up and out of your face. Adding some volume to the root around your hairline can really give you a nice lift that will move that hair out and away from your hairline. Another really great reason to add volume to a synthetic wig is to really just give it some lift. If you get a wig in and it feels a little flat and you want some more volume, one of these methods might be a great way to do that. Hey guys, I wanted to step in and remind you, if you haven't yet, make sure you go over to our website and grab your wig passport. This is a free all-in-one wig guide with a bunch of wig tips and tricks to help you along your wig journey. Now back to the video. The first way I like to add volume to my wigs is by using a dry texture spray. This is a great method for any wig wear, whether it is a human hair wig, a heat safe, or a standard synthetic. I start by turning my wig upside down and then I spray it lightly at the roots, shake it a little, and then let it hang upside down to dry. The second way we are going to try is a new cool little tool I found on Amazon that I wanted to test out with you guys. You take these little clips and you place them along the hairline at the root. I'm going to apply some low heat from my blow dryer or my steamer for my non-safe heat wigs. This will help lift and set the hair where you want it. Once it is completely cooled, you can remove them carefully. Let's see how well this worked. All right, so let's talk about this method really quickly. It definitely did put lift and volume into the roots. You can see that. But if you look closely, you can also see that there are some little interesting kinks happening. So a little disclaimer, if you're gonna use these, you probably are gonna have to take a heat comb to it to kind of adjust and finesse it, but it will give you volume. The other disclaimer I wanna give you as well is if you are watching this, you can see that I had a little bit of a hard time getting these in and out. They do really wanna stick to the fibers. They didn't cause any damage to the fibers. I checked that as I went, but you want to be careful when you're pulling them out because they can very easily get stuck in the wig if you don't make these sections nice and neat and smooth them out. You'll see too that I did use my wig spray beforehand. This is going to help just keep everything where it needs to be and cause less frizz, which will cause less of a chance for this to get wrapped up into your wig. The last way to add volume is going to be using a new product I want to test out with you guys. This is a hair wax spray from Got to Be Glued. You guys know we love this brand around here, so when I saw they had a wax spray, I needed to get it to try. We are going to spray this lightly at the root and then take the wig and shake it upside down as we run our hands through it and tousle it up. Now let's flip it back, throw it on, and see how it worked. This is great to do with any wig since it requires zero heat and can be done quickly and on the go if needed. All right, guys, that is it, and it is that easy. I hope you guys found this helpful. If you guys have tried any of these methods, let me know down in the comments below. Also, let me know if there's a way that you like to add volume to your wigs. I love hearing new ways to do this kind of stuff to our wigs, and I'm sure someone will find it helpful. Thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.